Did you know that the traditional Igbo calendar has 13 months, not 12 like the Western one? Yes, the Igbo people had their unique way of counting time long before the arrival of the Gregorian calendar. Let me take you into the fascinating world of the Igbo calendar system. The Igbo calendar is built around the four Igbo market days: Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo. These market days form what we call the Igbo week, Izu Igbo. Now, every Igbo week has 4 days, and 7 Igbo weeks make one Igbo month. That means 7 times 4, which is 28 days in every month. Unlike the Western year that has 12 months, the Igbo year has 13 months, each with deep cultural and spiritual significance. Here are the 13 traditional months and when they fall within the Western calendar. Ọnwa mbụ, the first month, starts from the third week of February to March. Ọnwa abụọ, the second month, March to April. Ọnwa Ifeke, also known as the red month, starts from April to May. Ọnwa anọ starts from May to June. Ọnwa Agwụ starts from June to July. Ọnwa Ifejioku, which is the New Yam Festival month, starts from July to August. Ọnwa Alọmchi, August to early September. Ọnwa Ịlọ Mmụọ, from September to early October. Ọnwa Ana, which is the 9th month, it's in October. Ọnwa Okike, October to early November. Ọnwa Ajana, from November to early December. Ọnwa Edajana, from late December to January. And Ọnwa Ụzọ Alụsị, from January to February. So, in summary, the Igbo week has 4 market days: Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwo. The Igbo month has 28 days, made up of 7 Igbo weeks, and the Igbo year has 13 months. This traditional Igbo calendar helped our ancestors plan festivals, farming, and spiritual activities. It's truly amazing how organized and advanced the Igbo people were in timekeeping long before the arrival of the modern calendars. If you found this interesting, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about the Igbo language and cultures. Let's keep our heritage alive. Nke a bụ omenala anyị.